Hey guys, today is the day that I show you what I have in my freezer. A freezer is one of the most important gadgets in any kitchen, especially a Nigerian kitchen, because our food stores well in the freezer. I store lots of things in my freezer, ranging from snacks to cooked food, soups, rice, leftover food. Let's go there. Let me take you right into my freezer. My deep freezer is quite small. I'll include the dimensions somewhere on the screen. It's just 4 of us and it serves me well. But when we buy goat meat, I wish I had a bigger freezer. This is multicolored marble cake. I prepared it with the Nigerian cake recipe. I must have this in my freezer all the time. We can't talk about things stored in my freezer without talking about Nigerian meat pie. This is the last one in this batch. We'll be making more soon, if not today. This is some leftover chicken and stock for preparing that emergency brunch. This is bitter leaves. I normally receive them dry from Nigeria. I then make them softer and put it in the freezer. That's another one. This is all the ogiris are in here. Ogiri obe, that's iru, and ogiri igbo, castor seed paste. Habanero pepper. The freezer keeps it fresh and it does not lose its bite at all. I'm beginning to think that the freezer makes it hotter. Yeah. I always have frozen spinach in my freezer. You can use it to prepare quick and easy recipes when your plans for dinner suddenly change. This one is ajazo. Which means dry fish crumbs. You can buy this in Nigerian markets. You can also get it from, when you pack lots of dry fish in a bag, they knock against each other and produce these crumbs. I use them to prepare correct yam porridge. Yam po. Oh, there are many things you can add this to. This is yam, raw yam. When I buy yam, I peel and cut it up into desirable pieces and store in my freezer. When I want to cook it, I just boil water and add it to the pot. No need to defrost. And it tastes exactly like yams you peeled on the same day. Yeah. This is akamu, ogi or pap. I prepare it from scratch and put it in the freezer. It lasts for as long as possible. This is suya spice, yaji. Some people ask me if it will cake when frozen. You can see that it remains in powder form even though it is in the freezer. It is only cold to touch. This is peeled beans. I usually peel my beans on the day I want to use it, just for personal preference. But the last time I prepared moi moi, I peeled a bit too much and this is the leftover. This is stockfish. The freezer is the best place to store your stockfish so that it does not smell. Also, if the stockfish came with some weevil, which always happens, they will not multiply. This is are you ready for this? Upogede, plantain moi moi. I have been saving these two for ages. I uploaded a video for this a few weeks ago. This one is mixed vegetables curry sauce. You can see mushroom and many other vegetables. Yeah. This is beans porridge. My daughter loves beans so much. Here comes the soups. Okazi soup. I label this container so that I don't even need to open it to know what is in there. Yeah, time-saving tips. This is dry fish, specifically dry catfish, which is my favorite fish to use in my Nigerian cooking. That's favorite dry fish to use in Nigerian cooking. Again, storing them in your freezer prevents smell and stops those wiggles. Crayfish, you need to have it in your freezer too. It does not get damp when you put it in the freezer. It's just cold to touch. Another soup, vegetable soup, that's edikain corn. This is opaka or ogba, shredded oil bean. Add it to yam and vegetable for that traditional effect. Prepare it on its own with kanda and palm oil paste. It's frozen, so I don't know if you can see it clearly. Great for that emergency, something you can prepare for your sweetie pie. This is achicha. I have a video on this coming up. If you know about this food, let me know in the comments. It is very traditional. You want to put it into your freezer because it may come with weevils which will eat them up if left outside. This is beans moi moi. It's another lifesaver. Prepare it in large quantities and you're sorted for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Moi moi is very versatile. You can serve it with fried plantains, serve it with rice, on its own with steamed vegetables. Moi moi always comes to my rescue on those days when I don't know what to cook. By the way, the leaves were sent to me from Nigeria. When they arrive, I quickly cook moi moi and stock up. More raw yam. Another soup, this time ofo nubu. More oba. Another soup, my favorite soup, ora soup. Ora is also sent to me from Niger. Once it arrives, I cook and store. More oba. We love this thing so much. We're getting to the bottom. This is plantain pie. Oh my god. This stores very well in the freezer. And I always have some. Just bring it out to defrost for a few hours and heat it up on medium heat in the microwave oven. This is the best thing I ever discovered. These ones are goat meat. The last few packs from one goat we bought recently. Here we have to go into the villages to the farmers and they slaughter the goat for us. So that's it, my people. One thing missing in that freezer is tomato stew. You all know how much I depend on tomato stew for my day-to-day cooking. It saves me lots of time and it makes my cooking life easier. I just ran out of some and I'll be making more this weekend. So what's the most unexpected thing someone will find in your Nigerian freezer? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you like these sort of videos where I come and have a chit chat with you, every day is not about cooking. Let me know by liking this video. If you don't like it, dislike this video. Just do something. Don't be a sit-down de look. Yeah, it's a free world. See you in another video. I have lots of videos coming up. Bye.